Hey guys, we received this bottle 24-ounce sports water bottle for test and try. It's a stainless steel insulated water bottle with a straw and pills holder. So let me just open up this. So this comes in a really nice box here, and as you can see, so this have this straw thing that you can drink the water directly, and there are this straw with a insulated stainless steel thing inside, and you can put in your hot and the warm water and really nice base. And then for the straw, you can just put in here. So this have a straw thing here as well. You can directly drink from here. So you can directly drink the water from here as well. So they are double opening thing and really a nice design with the handle and just to use wherever you want. Easy to clean and easy to wash. Just put in hot and cold water thing and then use it or take it anywhere you want. So this bottle also have a secret chamber here. As you can see, you can open up this. You can store the pills, medicine, or any small stuff in here. And this is really helpful in something like for the medicine and things. You can just put in here, and it is all waterproof. And you can just put it back in here. So it's a really nice design with a storage chamber and then two-way to drink with a handle and everything. It's a very nice bottle.